Throughout history, the story of God taking Adam's rib has fascinated and intrigued scholars, theologians, and believers. This mystical event, described in the book of Genesis, holds a profound symbolic significance that unveils the divine harmony within creation. By examining the different layers of meaning behind this ancient tale, we can gain a deeper understanding of the mystical unity between God and humanity, and how this unity resonates throughout the fabric of existence. Symbolic significance of God taking Adam's rib. The act of God taking Adam's rib signifies a powerful and transformative event. In this act, God creates Eve, the first woman, as a companion and partner for Adam. This symbolism suggests that humanity is not complete in isolation, but rather finds its fulfillment within the context of relationship and unity. The rib, traditionally understood as a symbol of protection and support, represents the nurturing and loving qualities that are inherent in the feminine aspect of creation. Thus, God's action embodies the divine intention for balance, harmony, and unity within the human experience. Exploring the divine harmony in creation. Beyond the specific act of God taking Adam's rib, this story invites us to explore the broader concept of divine harmony in creation. From the intricate ecosystems of nature to the complex workings of the cosmos, we see a tapestry of interconnectedness and interdependence. Just as Adam and Eve were created to complement and support one another, every aspect of creation is interconnected and dependent on one another for its perfect functioning. By recognizing and embracing this divine harmony, we can learn to live in balance with the world around us, fostering a sense of unity and respect for all beings. Unveiling the mystical unity between God and humanity. The mystical unity between God and humanity is unveiled through the symbolism of God taking Adam's rib. This act represents the intimate connection between the divine and the human, highlighting the inherent bond that exists between God and creation. In this unity, we find a source of strength, guidance, and love that transcends the limitations of the physical world. By acknowledging and nurturing this connection, we can tap into the divine wisdom and power that resides within us, enabling us to live a life of purpose, fulfillment, and spiritual growth. The mystical symbolism of God taking Adam's rib invites us to reflect on the profound beauty and harmony that permeate the fabric of creation. Through this ancient tale, we are reminded of the importance of unity, balance, and interconnectedness in our lives. By embracing this divine harmony, we can cultivate a deeper connection with both the divine and our fellow beings, fostering a more compassionate, loving, and harmonious world. May we all find inspiration in this symbolic story and strive to unveil the divine harmony within ourselves and the world around us.